Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. In this video, we have another AP Pre-Calculus type of a question from the topic of exponential function. Let's solve it together. The exponential function f is defined by f of x equals a times b to the power of x, where a and b are positive constants. The table gives values of f of x at selected values of x. Which of the following statement is true? X values are 0 to 4 and fx values are 6 through 0.375. And so for this problem, I suggest you to use function, given function and values to find the values of a and b. If you will use 0, a times b to the power of 0 gives you 6. We're using this data now. So b to the power of 6 is 1. A times 1 is 6. So therefore, a is 6. To find the value of b, I will use the 1 value for the function. A is, as we found, 6. 6 times b to the power of 1 gives us 3. So 6b is equals 3. Then we need to divide both sides by 6. 3 over 6 is 1 over 2. So the function is, originally, it is 6 times 1 over 2 to the power of x. First of all, a is greater than 6, okay. And the value of b is between 0 and 1. It's 0 and 1, which is half in this case. And then, so we can just go ahead and eliminate the choice B and C. The answer is either A or D. A says it's a decay, B says it's a growth. So in this case, as you can see, as the x values are increasing, the y values are decreasing. Because of that, it's a decay function, because they're not value as parallel. So because of that, choice is A. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye bye.